My name is Dr. Joe Assini. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Colorado Joint Replacement. In my practice, the majority of the patients that I see have osteoarthritis, and I also specialize in doing joint replacements that have fallen apart, so people that have had a hip or a knee that hasn't done very well. I grew up in Canada. I came to the United States, to New York City for a fellowship, specializing in just hip and knee replacement. And after that, I came to Denver. I've been in Denver for the last 10 and a bit years now. I have a lot of passion for rapid recovery, so that's getting patients up and getting them moving quickly. It means get up and let your body heal and move through that in a graduated fashion. So that's something that we're starting to look at, about how we decrease swelling, but keep the patient's joint moving well, increasing their activity level in a more graduated fashion so they get the best recovery at 6 weeks and beyond. Getting a patient's input into what their goals are is really, really important. And I think maybe the most important thing for a successful outcome. You really have to get a good gauge of what their expectations are, what the things that they want to do in terms of activities, desires, etc., and then work around that. When I go home from work, wife Leslie is she's a writer. She's written two kids' books and does some communications. 2 daughters that very active in lots of different sports. But for us, skiing in the winter is an important thing. The summers we spend some time back home in Canada, and that's been something that's really been special to us for the last probably 6-7 years.